Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about a really great app that kind of closes a loophole in Shopify's shipping settings specifically for people that are running free plus shipping offers. And this app is called BetterShipping. It's really easy to use, and I just want to run over a couple of important points for you. So the first thing is, like I said, this is perfect for stores that run free plus shipping offers. I ran my store for about 5 months without this app, so it's not necessary, but there are some little loopholes, as you'll see in the shipping rates or shipping settings with Shopify. This will close, so it is really nice. It does close those loopholes. It does require an upgraded Shopify plan. This is the unlimited plan with Shopify, because when you have the unlimited plan with Shopify, that's the one that's like $180. It allows you a feature called real-time carrier shipping. So that way it can, that's just how what it needs and able to work and control your shipping settings. Now, what's so great about this is BetterShipping lets you set specific shipping rates per product. Okay, now standard in Shopify, you can set your shipping settings by the total price of items in the cart or by the weight of the products that are in the cart. So the standard way in Shopify is to charge shipping based off of the amount of money the customer is spending or by the weight of the products that are in their cart. BetterShipping lets you bypass those two settings and just set flat rates per each specific item. So all of my free plus shipping items, I can say anytime a free plus shipping item is put in my cart, then I want the item to cost $9.95 shipping. Okay, whereas with the cart price, you're really saying anytime anybody adds anything to the cart that totals $20, then charge X for shipping. Anytime somebody adds products to the cart by weight, that equals 2 pounds or 6 pounds or 10 pounds, then charge X for shipping. So the BetterShipping app really makes it simple to close any and all loopholes for free plus shipping products, and it will just make your life easier. But the caveat is you got to have the more expensive Shopify plan to use it. So let's go inside Shopify, and I want to show you how to install the app and how to use it. Okay, so here we are in Shopify, and what we're going to do is we are going to go up here to the App Store. So we're going to click Visit Shopify App Store, and we are going to just type in BetterShipping. Now that's two different words, and you'll see the icon come up with the B and it's in a blue background. And it allows you to, once again, maximize your profits for free plus shipping offers by setting specific rates to specific items. Now it's a flat fee of $14.99 a month. They have a 7-day free trial. So we're going to hit Get. It's going to ask us to install it on our store. All right, we are going to approve the installation, and now it is installing the app into my store, and here we are. So now that we have installed it on the store, you have access to all of the options. So there's a couple of things that you need to know when you're using this app. So for one, you need to make sure that you actually have the rates turned on. See where it says enable rates, where my mouse is? So click that. All right, and there is a little tutorial here, but it's going to show you in Shopify, you should be able to see BetterShipping app rate estimates under your shipping settings, okay? So make sure that you look for that to make sure everything's working. Then you can come over here to settings, and notice that by default it's going to be off. You want to make sure that you enable your shipping rates, okay? So this button needs to be green. And then you also want to be able to enable tiered shipping rates. So make sure that you go ahead and click on this, okay? And you may as well turn these on as well, okay? So just make sure everything's on. I think it's weird that they're all off automatically, but go in and turn them on, okay? Now, the next thing that you can do is you don't have to worry about delivery areas. You don't really even have to worry about the shipping rules. You probably won't use these, but you're gonna click on products. Now, it's gonna list all of the different products that are on your store, okay? Now, what you need to do is individually come in and set the shipping rates you want each product to charge, okay? So you need to make sure that you come in and every time you add a product to your store, you come into BetterShipping and you make sure that you attach a shipping rate to it, okay? So for instance, notice we have 2 retail products. See, it just says necklace. And then we have 2 free products because I labeled them necklace giveaway. That means they're free. What we would do for the retail products is I might say anytime somebody buys this retail product, charge them $4.95 shipping and handling, okay? So anytime they buy one, charge them $4.95 for shipping and handling. If they buy more than one, see, if they buy 2 or more, you do an additional $5. So this means if they buy 1 item, they pay $4.95 shipping. If they buy 2 items, then they would basically be paying $9.95 to ship both of those items. Now, if you want to just offer free shipping on all of your retail stuff, then you would keep this at 0.00, okay? So anytime somebody buys a retail product, they can get free shipping. So this is great if you're doing a free shipping promo. And what's really cool is maybe you're not offering free shipping on all of the retail items in your store. Maybe you want to write an ad for this crystal necklace that says you get free shipping. So you leave that at 0. But you want to make sure that anybody that buys this necklace, they have to pay shipping and handling. You can do that. Now, let's talk about the free plus shipping offers down here. Okay, so what I do is I charge $9.95 or $10.97, either way, for shipping. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit this little plus sign, and we're going to use the tiered shipping, okay? And we're going to say anybody else that orders more than 1 item, I want you to read this carefully. If they order 2 or more items, charge them an additional $9.95. Now look right here, it's really small, per item. So this means if they add 5 products to their cart, then they're going to be charged upwards of $50, $9.95 per each item. Okay, so that's how my free plus shipping offers work. So basically, every single offer that is a free plus shipping offer in your store should look just like this if you're using BetterShipping, unless you're charging $10.97 per item, which I do in a lot of cases. In your retail items, you can have free shipping, and you can have, of course, you can have retail shipping. So you could charge a flat rate of $2 or $3 or $4.95, or you could just offer free shipping store-wide and have all of your retail items at 0.0. Once you set up your shipping settings, you just come here and hit update products, and you'll see that it says products updated. All right, now when you come back out to your Shopify store and you come over here to your shipping settings, you can see where in previous videos we set up the store-wide free shipping, standard shipping, weighted shipping, and see right now it says BetterShipping App rate estimates and has this little truck that says API. All right, now if you are using BetterShipping, you need to delete all of these shipping rates right here, okay? Because you don't need Shopify standard shipping rates messing around with the order. So you either use Shopify standard rates or you use the BetterShipping app. You use one or the other. So if you're using BetterShipping, what you need to do is come into the current rates that you have, and you need to click on each one and hit delete. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so we've deleted that one. Let's delete this one. Okay, and now let's delete this one. Okay, there we go. So now our BetterShipping app is in total control of shipping for domestic. You're going to want to do the same thing for rest of the world as well. Okay, so boom, here we go. Now we have BetterShipping is in total control. Now we're no longer messing with our shipping settings in Shopify. Anytime we want to update a product shipping settings, we come over here to the BetterShipping app. It'll populate all of the items that are in our store, and we can control the shipping. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure once you set this up, you test it. So you're going to want to make sure that you come to your store and you actually test a purchase on the product. You don't really have to buy it. You just need to walk through it. So let's do that. All right, so we have this grandma necklace that is a free plus shipping offer. So we're just going to hit add to cart. And now we have an item that's $0.00. So we're going to hit checkout, and we're going to go through the checkout process real quick. So I'm going to just fill some stuff in so we can now see our shipping rate. Okay, once you have all of this filled out when you're running your test, notice over here that the item is $0.00. Now, when we hit continue to shipping method, you're going to see that we have the shipping rate of $9.95. Now, over here, my subtotal is $10.75 because I'm in Mississippi, and it recognizes that because I put that here, and I charge taxes for anybody from in-state. But you can see the shipping rate is $9.95. So now we have it set up to where our free plus shipping offer is going to be $9.95. Now check this out. If we go back out to the cart and we update the quantity to 8 items and we hit checkout, now our shipping rate is $79.60 because it's charging $9.95 per item in the cart. Okay, now let's go back out and let's find a retail product and add that to our cart. So we're going to add this necklace for $14.99 to our cart. All right, so now we've got, let's just delete some of these products. Let's just take it down to 1 free product and 1 retail product. Okay, now what we're going to do is remember our better shipping rates were set up to where these products are free. Okay, so these are free products. There's no shipping cost for these. All right, so when we come over here and we, sorry, I'm getting turned around. When we come over here and hit checkout, notice that our shipping rate is $9.95. Okay, it's still the same. But look, our subtotal is $14.99 because this necklace up here is a retail item and it has a retail price of $14.99. The necklace for the grandma bracelet is $0, but guess what? We're charging them $9.95 shipping for it. So if somebody comes to your store and they start trying to buy retail products and free products at the same time, then it won't screw up. It'll still charge them the correct shipping rate because the way it works is that BetterShipping app looks at all of the items that are in your cart and they charge you shipping based off of the items that you have in the cart, not the subtotal and not the weight, but the actual items inside your cart. So if we come back out again, just to play around a little bit more, and we add 3 of these free grandma necklaces in, and we hit checkout, our subtotal is still going to be $14, but our shipping is going to be $29.85 because it's charging us $9.95 each for 3 of these free necklaces. And believe it or not, people come do this all day, every day, and they shop and they buy retail and free items together, and they pay for the more expensive shipping because they really, they're like, okay, well, I'm just paying $10 per necklace, basically. Okay, so that's how this works. Now, if we went back in here and we updated this to $5 for shipping, on our retail items and hit update products, watch what happens. We come back out, and I want to do just a real quick, a hard refresh, meaning I'm just going to reset the page so it updates with my new settings. Now you're going to notice the shipping rate is $39.85. So we added 2 retail necklaces to our cart, and we added 3 free necklaces to our cart. So at 3 necklaces at $9.95 each, our shipping rate was, I think it was $29.85. But because now we have these 2 retail items in our cart that we are charging $5 shipping for, if you recall over here, you can see we have it set at $5 per item. You'll notice that the shipping is now updated by $10 because we have 2 retail items in the cart. So this is the best way to set up your store for shipping. The BetterShipping app, it will save you from people coming in and finding a loophole and ordering a free item and not actually, paying the shipping for it. So this is the best way to set it up. I would advise that you use this app if you can, and I'm telling you, it's going to make your life a little bit easier for sure. And honestly, if you just do free shipping store-wide and you have your free plus shipping items on there, it's the most seamless way to do it. And if you're selling mostly free plus shipping products anyways, it doesn't really hurt you. So that's really the way that I do it. And another one of my multi-7-figure partners does it with his Shopify store, is just offer free shipping store-wide and on the retail items, and then have the $9.95 or $10.97 charge per item in BetterShipping. So this is a really nice app. Remember, if you are new to this, always double check and make sure that everything's calculating correctly. And every time you add a new product to your Shopify store, you're going to need to come down here to apps, and you're going to need to click on BetterShipping. It's going to load all of the items in your store. You'll find the item that you just added. As a matter of fact, I don't even want to verbally explain it. I want you to see it because I want to make sure you do this right. Okay. So let's just say that I'm adding a new product to my store. Okay. So let's just duplicate this product. We're just going to call it copy of awesome product. So now I've added a new product to the store basically. I just made a copy of that one. All right. Now when I go to BetterShipping, watch this. Boom. You can see that new product shows up here, but look, the shipping is set at 0. So you need to make sure every time that you create a new product in Shopify, if you're using BetterShipping, you come here and you update what shipping price you want on that product, because BetterShipping allows you to set up shipping rates on a per product basis. And that's what makes it so nice. So I really recommend that you use this app. And this app is, it's just going to save you a lot of time and heartache and headaches when it comes to these silly loopholes that Shopify has. I know that Shopify is working on it, but this is the best solution if you're running a free plus shipping offer, is just simply to use this app. So it's called BetterShipping. It's well worth the $14 a month that it costs. It will just change, the way you run your business if you run a free plus shipping store, because it makes everything simple to set up and precise. You know that it works. All right, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.